Nakalabas na si Shorty. Halika na. Halika na. Tapos na yung quarantine niya. Yeah, nakalabas na si Shorty. Go! Go, Shorty! Life! Come on! Come on! Halika na. Halika na, Shorty. Oh my God. Teddy! Welcome! Say welcome to Shorty. Halika na, Shorty. Shorty. Star. Ginger. Star. Star. Oh my God. Say hi to Shorty. Ayan na siya. Oh. Ayan. Lapitan niya si Shorty. Welcome back. Oh, wow. Uy, na-miss niya si Shorty. Na-miss niya. Oh my God. Nangalig pa siya. Oh. Oh my God. Na-miss nila isa't isa. Oh. 2 linggo kanyo na na-quarantine siya. Star, come on. Yeah. Say hi to Shorty. Come on. Say hi to Shorty. Bilis. Shorty. Shorty. Ayun. Shorty, say hi. Oh my God. Ayun. Ayun. Wow, ang sweet naman ng mga pusa. Lumabas na kasi siya. Natapos na yung quarantine niya. Say hi to Grandpa. Shorty, say hi to Grandpa. Shorty. Shorty is out now, Grandpa. Shorty is out now. Shorty.
Oh,
Say hi to Grandpa. Quick then.
you're out?
Yeah, she's out now.
Come in.
She's out now.
Where?